Happy Thursday morning. I hope you all are having an amazing day so far. I know it's pretty early. So get a cup of coffee, sit down, relax, and let's open our August 2019 GlobeIn box. You guys, this is one of my absolute favorite subscriptions. It is so amazing. I'm obsessed. If you've been following me and been watching some of my other unboxings, I am in love with this box and the add-ons. So later today, be on the lookout for the add-on video because I go a little add-on crazy. So I usually have to do this as one unboxing and then a separate video for the add-ons because they just have the cutest stuff and it just is amazing. But let me tell you a little bit about GlobeIn in case you don't know. So it is a monthly subscription. It is $40 a month with $10 shipping. However, y'all know what this means? I have a link that I will put down below that will get you your first month for only $10. That's right, you guys, $10. And that's like $10 out the door. 10.00. That's it. No shipping, no tax, $10. You're good. So you can try GlobeIn for only $10 and I promise you, you will love it. They always have a theme every month, and the good thing is in case that theme isn't really your taste, they usually have 4 to 5 other boxes that you can choose from as the theme. And that's actually what I did this month. I didn't really care for the actual August theme, or not, it's not that I didn't care for it, I just knew that I would not probably use some of the items that were in it, so I chose a different box. So I went with the Slurp box, and I'm super excited to open it and actually get my hands and eyes on the products because it looked amazing. So like I said, you can try them out with the link down below for only $10 and choose a theme. Now, the September theme is coming up, obviously, and I do know that the few sneak peeks I have seen, the main box, the main theme for September is going to be like I almost want to say like a pizza type, make your own pizza. Like I remember seeing like a ladle, like for marinara sauce or something. I think a cutting board. So definitely check it out. But they do sell out fast. So if this is something you're considering, you may want to go ahead and sign up, like I said, for $10. And then on September 1st, you can choose whatever you would like. But anyway, before we get into opening this, I do also want to say thank you so much for being here. I apologize for not saying that at the beginning. I am so appreciative of your support. It means the world to me. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will also be down below. So if you have not entered, please go ahead and do so. That giveaway runs through September 22nd. So I have babbled enough. Let's get in here and get to unboxing the August GlobeIn. I'm so excited. And like I said, I will be doing a separate video for my add-ons because I did go a little bit crazy. Not as crazy as last month. I didn't spend the $1,400 like I did last month. But y'all, it really is so easy to do because their stuff is so cute and it's so well made. That's one thing. This subscription it's from artisans all over the world, and they work with artisans and companies that give back, and I think that is fantastic. So not only do you get amazing, beautiful, handmade products by artisans from all over the globe, hence GlobeIn, you're giving back, you're helping, and it's just amazing to be able to do that. So let's get in here. So when we open it, this little booklet is on top. There will always be one of these. It will tell you about all the items in your box. And like I said, I chose the Slurp box. And what's really neat too is it kind of tells you a little bit about, why, or not why, but who could have made your product, or, you know, the people that make some of these different products, which I think is awesome. So, hey friends, do you enjoy a nice warm shower, a tasty gulp of hot chocolate, that subtle tingle of your toes warming up in a pair of wool socks, or perhaps a cuddle from the one you love and a hug from a cozy quilt? Yes, 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 and yes. If you're a lover of all things soothing, you'll find tranquility in the Slurp Box. And I'm here to assure you that the chicken soup is for the soul and not just for sick days from school or work. Imagine this, a rich, decadent bowl of forbidden rice ramen, steeped in your favorite bone broth or vegetable stock, and topped with a boiled egg or veggies galore. Your new Santa noodle bowl with sauce dish are the perfect matching set for a delicious and beautiful evening meal. Dim down the lights and ignite a scentless candle so that you may set a cozy mood and take in the full indulgence of your ramen experience. Your elephant chopsticks will make a perfect pair of dining companions, and your new hand-woven Amapola basket can store all of your toppings and garnishes on the side for extra flavor. So if you're like me and you run cold and shiver even when it's warm outside, or get anxious after a long day's work, get ready for the sounds of slurping. This box is sure to help you unwind. Cheers, Angela. So she curated this box. Part of the reason too that I chose this box is because I know you heard me reference the little side bowl. I actually chose that as an add-on last month, so I was like, oh, now I have two little like ramekins, but we'll get to that. So here is one thing I do want to show you if this is a subscription you are considering. They package everything so well. Like, everything always just comes in like such great condition because, okay, the basket was in there. But then we pull it back and then you can see there's still other stuff, but it's protected. So let's get all this out. Okay. But yes, they make sure that all of your stuff arrives safely, and I really, really appreciate that. So we'll start here with the basket. Super cute. These baskets come in handy for a lot. Actually, you can put them in your bathroom and store things in them. I gave one to my mom, and she actually, her and my dad, made it like a double store, if you will. They use the lid as one way to store things, almost like a trinket dish, and then they use this part, the actual basket, for other items. So that's two different ways you can use it, or you can cover it and use it however. All right, so inside we have our forbidden rice ramen white miso soup. That sounds amazing just by itself. Gluten-free or made with organic rice, ready in 5 minutes. So basically this is just like a super fancy version of ramen noodles. And let's be honest, who doesn't like ramen noodles? Seriously? So we have these and the basket. And then we have, oh, well, I'm not reading anything to you. I apologize. So, all right, so the ramen, oh, look, it looks black, but I think it'll be purple. The Lotus Foods story began when their founders first tasted an amazing black rice during their travels to China. It was called tribute rice or longevity rice because it was reserved for Chinese emperors to ensure their good health and long life. In 1995, Lotus Foods began importing black rice, calling it forbidden rice, after the Forbidden City, the Chinese imperial palace. Little did they know that they'd eventually find themselves trying to change how the world grows rice. That sounds awesome. So it says you obviously boil your noodles, and then you dispose of the water, and then it says you can do the bone broth or a vegetable stock. You can put spices in, and then you can put a boiled egg or chopped green onions or whatever you want to put on there if you want to add anything. So sometimes, I mean, you can eat it just plain. But there's that. And then let's see if it says anything about the basket. Yeah. So this says, say hello to Paula Hernandez. Paula is 27 years old and works for GlobeIn under our artisan leader, Celerina. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Paula lives and works in Ritual Oaxia and began weaving at the early age of 12 years old. She currently lives with her parents and her husband and parents-in-law, as well as her 2 children. Due to your Slurp Box purchase, you have enabled Paula to maintain and improve her circumstances. So this says you could use it to store vegetables in the fridge or dried bundles of pasta or rice noodles in the pantry. But here is Paula. She's one of the ladies that makes these baskets. That's what I like about this, is they kind of give you a inside look into who makes these products. So we have the basket and the ramen. Okay. And then we have our chopsticks. And you guys, these are like the cutest little elephant chopsticks. Are they not just like adorable? Like, these are just the cutest little, oh, they're caught on each other. The cutest little, oh, these are adorable. Hand carved elephant chopsticks. Your new elephant chopsticks were produced in part by James Musau. James attended school to the primary level, but was forced out of school at an early age when his parents no longer had the funds to put him through an education. Sorry. He began to learn to carve, started to learn to carve for a living. After carving for 13 years, he was able to afford to get married in 2013. That's awesome. James is looking forward to more orders with GlobeIn, and producing your chopsticks has granted him 3 months consistent work, which he can then take back to his family. Isn't that amazing, you guys? I think that is so fantastic. And it's suggested use to devour your noodles, rice, and sushi. Yum. Lay atop the U-shaped ledge of noodle. Oh, that's later. But they are super adorable. I love using chopsticks with Chinese or anything. And sushi, I love sushi. So these are just so cute and different. So yay, I'll put them right there. And then we need to get a box cutter because we have another box. You see what I'm talking about? Like, all right, so this is going to be our little like ramekin dish. And like I said, I actually chose one of these as an add-on last month. So now I have 2 of these, and I will use this like for many different things. I've used it to put just like some ketchup in to dip, or ranch, different sauces. So I just think that is super, super pretty. Let me find it in here and tell you a little bit more about it. because being an add-on, I didn't really have the information last month. The Santa sauce dish. This beautiful sauce bowl is your new accomplice in all things savory. It comes from Naboul, a city on the Mediterranean coast of the northeast Tunisia, and home of the craft studio Le Soc Ceramique. I'm probably butchering all of this. Hanine has worked for Le Souk since 2010, married with 2 children. Working for Le Souk enables Hanine to support not only her immediate family, but her extended family as well. Oh, that's awesome. So this says to pour a bit of soy sauce in the dish for easy dipping. You can combine some wasabi for extra flavor, or better yet, use for black garlic sauce to eat with your bowl of ramen. But here is Hanine right there. So again, this is from Tunisia, but isn't it just beautiful? Like I said, now I have 2, so yay. And then the star of the show, wow, that is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, is the bowl, and it matches obviously the sauce dish. This is what they were talking about with the chopsticks, which I think is actually really unique, and I don't have a bowl like this. It has the little U there for you to rest your chopsticks or whatever utensil you are using. And this Sana noodle bowl, also this obviously is from Tunisia. Your bowl comes from Naboul, a city on the Mediterranean coast of northeastern Tunisia and the center of the Tunisian pottery. Many of the artisans who hand painted your bowl have been working for Le Souk for years, and the collaborative process has become a familiar dance. Your bowl's skillfully painted lines invoke the air of peace, prosperity, and teamwork embodied by modern Tunisians. Enjoy. And it says, for a personal bowl of ramen or wheat noodles, or for a nice large bowl of your favorite mixed greens salad. Lay your chopsticks across for cleanliness and easy accessibility. So not only could you put them in like this, there's a hole here, so they rest. Isn't that nice? That's a good sized bowl. Like, you can make one heck of a good salad in there. So that was the box that I chose for August 2019. Again, this was the GlobeIn Slurp box. I think everything is fantastic, and I definitely think at least give it a shot for 10 bucks. Use the link down below. Try a month, see what you think. I guarantee you'll love it. It is amazing. This is my 4th or 5th month getting this, and I just love it so much, you guys. So I hope you do. Give it a try. Like I said, the link's down below. It's only $10. You will not be disappointed. GlobeIn is fantastic, and be looking out later this afternoon for my add-on videos. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.